Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your view history on the RedNote app using your iPhone. So if you want to clear your view history from the RedNote app, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. You want to search for the RedNote app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on three lines here at the top left. Next, you want to go ahead and find history. This will now show you all the posts which you've viewed, whether it's video or photos. On the right hand side, you'll see the live posts that you have viewed as well. So to delete these, go ahead and tap on manage at the top right. Now you want to go ahead and select the ones that you want to delete and then tap on delete. If you want to select everything, go ahead and tap on select all and then tap on delete. Now once you do this, this will delete your view history on your RedNote app. So there you go guys, that is how to clear your history on the RedNote app using your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.